What's up, everybody? This is Boots from cyborgteam.com. Today I've got another keyboard here. This is the Xinmeng 87Key. As you can see, it's a TKL keyboard. I got this for $29.99, $30 on Newegg. It has a detachable USB-C cable. It is wireless with Bluetooth. I believe it's Bluetooth 3.0. You can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously and then switch in between them. This one has aluminum and plastic body construction, so it should be pretty rigid. We'll check that out. It's available in 3 different colors. Now, the one that I got, that was actually the $30 version. If you want the other colors, like there's an all white body one. That one was, I believe it was $50, and then there's another version. Like they're all the same keyboard, just different color schemes and different types of keycaps, but they vary in price. They all come with the Clicky blue switches. And you know I like my linears. Those option wasn't available. It was a cool looking keyboard. We're gonna check it out. Also, guys, if you enjoy my content, if you like these reviews, if you appreciate the work that I'm putting in, I would appreciate it if you hit like, subscribe, share, save, anything. Leave a comment down below. Any type of interaction helps tremendously. All right, let's crack into it. First of all, Xinmeng 87Key comes in a nice plain box here. Information wise, there's nothing here in English except the made in China. So, all right, crack into it. Again, I got this on Newegg. It took about a week to get to me, which isn't bad, and that was with the, you know, the free shipping option. So here's the keyboard. Put that to the side. So here's our detachable USB-C. Definitely USB-C cable. This is a wireless dongle. Now, I knew it was wireless, but it only said about the Bluetooth. So this wireless dongle will give me 2.4 gigahertz connection, which is the wireless method I prefer, and it comes with a keycap cooler. So that's a nice little surprise there. And here's our instruction manual. Is there anything in here in English at all? It tells you how to install it, Bluetooth. Okay, all right, cool. So it gives you a little bit of stuff in there. Now for the keyboard, got some nice weight on it, and there it is. Oh yeah, aluminum top housing, and on the back here is the port for the USB-C. It's a little off center, right? See that? USB-C connectivity, and then here's where you turn your wireless on or off. I didn't see anywhere on here or in the documentation of how big the battery is. On the back here, it's your serial number, and that's about it. On the sides, nothing on the sides. The only thing logo wise is you have this X over here. Here's your indicator light. So this should be our charging light and or caps lock light. We'll check all that out. We got some kick up feet in the back with some rubberized feet to keep it stable. Pretty typical Legends. This is supposed to have white backlighting. So when we plug that in, we'll check that out. And let's see, it's already catching a lot of fingerprints around like this this chamfered edge. But hey, that's okay. Gray and black color scheme with the red escape key. Cool. Let's plug it in, see what we got. To cycle through the backlighting effects, you'll hit function and insert. And like I said, it's white backlighting. Cut the lights here for a little bit so you can see better. Just some basic stuff. I'll just cycle through them real quick. So function up turns up the brightness, and function down turns it to all the way off if you wanted to. Let's see if we can get it animated. Here. See if we can change the speed. Can we change it? Yeah. So function and left arrow will slow down the animation. Function and right arrow will speed up the animation. You see it there. Pretty fluid. It's not too bad. Oh yeah, it gives you several here. Oh, not bad at all. Have a little bit of fun with this. That's something that I would use right there. The 2.4 gigahertz dongle. We'll plug that in, see if that's gonna help us out at all here. That's plugged in, so we'll unplug this. Computer is saying my device is ready, so let's see if we can get to a typing test here. I have the 2.4 gigahertz dongle plugged into the computer. I have this on wireless mode. So you have to hit function 4 to pair the keyboard to the dongle. Now my computer is picking it up. Clicky blue switches in here, they don't seem that clicky, but it was pretty decent to type on. There's no flex in the deck at all. Pretty nice to type on. Stabilizers aren't horrible. They can use a little bit of work. So out of the box, not too bad to type on. But it does kind of suck that you don't have too much help from the instruction manual. And then there's no legends on the keys here to tell you what you got to do to connect everything. Function and 3 turns off wireless dongle mode and then enters you into Bluetooth mode. And then once you go to your PC and then connect the keyboard, which is a really fast and easy pair, then this light stops flashing here, letting you know that you're completely connected. So again, not too bad. Seems like pretty stable connection for typing. Overall, not too bad for a basic little keyboard here for production work. $30 keyboard. I've had other $30 keyboards that didn't have all these connection options. One thing, we did not check to see what brand switches these are. Those are our good friends Outemu. I say overall for a $30 keyboard, that's a lot of connectivity options. Bluetooth, connect up to 3 devices simultaneously, and then you just switch between which one you want at the time. It has 2.4 gigahertz dongle mode. It has a detachable cable. Comes with a braided detachable cable. You can use your own custom cable in there. You got kick-up feet. That's pretty dope. It has an aluminum top plate, which makes everything nice and rigid. Comfortable feel to type on. I can't complain about it too much. The only thing that really sucks is you're on your own. Find out what these keys are. If you want to know how to do something specific on here, hit me up in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you. All right, but this is Boots from Cyborg Team. Hit like, hit subscribe, share, comment, save, all that stuff. It really helps me out, and I'll catch you in the next one.